What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when there's no sound when using the Discord mobile application. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. So first of all, open up the Discord application. Here, tap on your profile icon and under app settings tap on voice. Make sure that the volume output slider is at least set to 50%. When this is done, toggle the settings below to troubleshoot which ones could induce the issue. In case the problem persists, then completely close the app and other applications from running in the background which could utilize your microphone or play a sound. In case you're using a reliable network connection, the audio issue should be fixed. If not, then you might have a hardware configuration issue. Make sure that there's no external speaker, wireless headphone or mic connected to your device. To troubleshoot this step, I suggest disabling Bluetooth completely and checking if it works. In case nothing helped, then make sure that you're using the latest update of the app, or simply uninstall and re-download the app from the App Store. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.